So, just in summary, we explored the importance of emerging channels, to approach them with an open mind, but also to be cautious. We also learned how to identify channels that are appropriate. We also learned how to identify channels that are preferred by our audience. And then most importantly, when it comes to channels and content distribution, we want to create a robust content distribution strategy where you can create or repurpose your content either as text, visual, or audio, and redistribute it as required appropriately. And then also a reminder to maximize your reach, maintain your relevance, and stay ahead of current trends.